In today's video, you will learn how to change your Outlook email password. As you work within the Outlook interface, managing your account security is an important part of keeping your information safe. To begin this process, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon or profile picture is displayed. Clicking on this icon opens a drop-down menu that contains several account-related options. From this menu, select the option labeled My Microsoft Account, which will redirect you to a dedicated page designed specifically for managing your account settings. Once you arrive on your Microsoft account page, you will see a variety of sections related to security, privacy, and overall account management. Take a moment to look through these options so you understand where everything is located. Within this area, find and select the option labeled Change Password. Choosing this option opens a secure form where you can begin the password update process. On the password change screen, you will be prompted to enter your current password first. This step helps confirm your identity and ensures only you can make changes to your account. After that, you can enter a new password. Changing your password on a regular basis is a smart security habit, as it helps protect your account from unauthorized access and potential threats. When creating your new password, focus on making it strong and difficult to guess. A good password typically includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words or easily recognizable patterns. As you type, Microsoft often provides real-time feedback or strength indicators to help guide you toward a more secure password. Paying attention to these suggestions can help you choose a password that meets security requirements and keeps your account better protected. After you have entered a new password that meets the recommended criteria, submit the form to finalize the change. Once completed, your new password will take effect, and you will use it the next time you sign in. At this point, your Outlook email password has been successfully updated. It is important to remember that Outlook does not allow you to view your existing password for security reasons. However, the process for changing it is simple and effective. Regularly updating your password is a proactive way to maintain privacy, reduce risk, and stay in control of your account security. With these steps completed, you should now feel more confident managing your Outlook password settings and keeping your email secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit us with a like. Thanks for watching.